StreamSets Data Collector, or SDC, is an open-source application designed to simplify the process of building, deploying, and operating data flow pipelines. SDC has capabilities for running Sqoop-like pipelines, making it a viable alternative for performing bulk data transfer at scale between Apache Hadoop and relational data stores. In this short video, we'll show a newly available tool for importing existing Sqoop pipelines into SDC. The StreamSets Sqoop importer simply takes a Sqoop command line and converts it to a pipeline in SDC, making it easier to manage and operate over its lifecycle. Let's first take a brief look at how this import works today using Sqoop. To begin, we'll execute an import command from the command line. You can see the command is pretty straightforward and includes parameters for username, password, connection, and the table we're importing to Hive. Let's run our Sqoop import command and move the data from MySQL to Hive. Now that the data has been loaded, we can run a couple of queries to show that the data has indeed been loaded into Hive. With the table now created and data loaded into Hive, users can start to work directly with the data in Hadoop. Given this is all done via a command line, however, it's difficult for developers and administrators to manage Sqoop jobs over their lifecycle and gain broader visibility into the performance of these jobs as they execute. Importing these same scripts into StreamSets not only enables the same import capability, but as we'll see, provides an easier to use, more visual interface that can reduce overall data engineering time. Let's take a look. Before we jump into SDC, let's first drop our table in Hive and reset the environment. Now, use the StreamSets Sqoop importer to create the pipeline in SDC. The importer tool works similar to Sqoop and accepts the same parameters, so we'll merely need to copy and paste the parameters from our Sqoop command and paste them to the command line with the importer tool. Now let's go into SDC and take a look. As mentioned before, StreamSets Data Collector is an easy-to-use graphical user interface for building, executing, and operating data flow pipelines. In our initial view, we can see a list of pipelines available. We've started with a clean demo environment, so the only pipeline you can see is the employees one we just created using the Sqoop importer tool. Let's take a closer look at the pipeline we just created. StreamSets Data Collector delivers an easy-to-use canvas that you can drag and drop connectors and processors onto for building robust data flow pipelines. As you can see, the newly imported employees pipeline has been successfully imported into SDC, so now we can work with it as we would other pipelines in our StreamSets environment, updating things like script name or adding additional parameters as required. With the pipeline all ready to go, we can run it and load the data into Hive from MySQL database, just as we did with the Sqoop script on the command line. As the job runs, SDC gives us real-time feedback for things like record count and throughput performance. Now that our load is complete, let's go back to Hive. Running the same count and select statements we did previously, we can see that the data loaded just as it had using Sqoop as the standalone load tool. As you can see, StreamSets Data Collector can be used as a way to modernize loading data with Sqoop. Using the importer tool, scripts can quickly and easily be imported into SDC, making it possible to get the added benefits of StreamSets while performing the same load function. We saw how StreamSets also provides feedback as the load executes. It can also be used for additional configuration and parameter manipulation. And when using StreamSets, you also get the added benefits of automatic data drift detection and integration with our operational capabilities available in Dataflow Performance Manager. To learn more about this capability and more, visit us online at StreamSets.com.